Come here. So what? Me dear, the bag of basket for carry. How that? What? Maxwell, what?
Yeah, big up yourself.
All Max make 11, brother. I remember Max upon it to 11.
Yeah, weird.
So what? Come here. Come here. They might handle me here. I fool with month. Come here, baby, you say. Yeah, buy me beer gift. Jesus. What?
No, my sister said that.
Me dear. You look to see your sister, you know. Come here, tell you that your sister make me not bring her down.
My own sister bad man, me a joke thing.
Actually, because your family already let me leave it, you know.
All I say she a go sue me. A long time they want long time she want a little change out of my pocket. That's the reason I do a little story time. When I say my mother never liked me because I'm my father. You see what I say? It's like mommy did want me to come on internet.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat, and as you can see upon on the screen. Figure it out, he's still trying to figure it out here, and it seems like him not like him Muma because he is not the favorite. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because you know sometimes with these black sheep individual of their families, them tend, you know, to feel a little jealous of, you know, the well-liked one. Like his sister, who he says always wanted that thing out of his pocket. And that's the thing, you know, you can't be capitalizing off of your family, bringing them down, and you're not run no funds on them. You see what I say? So that's probably why the sister them are running, because they're tired of the lies and, you know, making them look like the bad guys or females. You see what I say? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I know you see Dyema try to console him, because, you know, it's all about the money with these sympathy series. So just like and share the video from now. And let's see what go on for that to go on, isn't it?
People them take over here. All of us show the receipt, them baby, they turn the power back and front. You know, see?
Well, I'm done with it, you know. I can play the voice note. But she said she did sick and she never tell no lie, so she never sick. But then again, me hear her in a box, I say she never sick. But everything good. She tell me say she did sick for sure. But you look at waste man over in box and I talk like he know everything. I tell me say me not talk to my mother. So you know me just go for my.
So the Vybz come here. So the Vybz note them in the boy, in the brother they scream something when put up. Where your mother Vybz it you are now?
She same man. Me come play the same Vybz note them with the same Vybz. She same man. And my mother.
So what you do your mother say make you kill her before you born? Eh?
Don't tell her what go on. You know a while back, that reason I do a little story time. When I say, my mother never liked me because I'm my father. You see what I say? It's like mommy did want me to come on internet and say, yes, you did like me. When I know damn well say you didn't like me for true. All my grandmother end up with me in the first place. Because you never want me, you neglect me. I succumb to my granny take me and raise. If anybody me owe nothing to, I'm my grandmother.
So your mother never says you're born cute?
Yes, what I say. I come and I talk straight. I say, yo, she try with we, you know, bro. She feed we, she do the best what she can do. But a step of the way, bro, she always neglect me from me little bit and me smart. I ask my granny the same thing she tell you now, bro. You see me, I never cuss her for that. You call me still, you call me and me have it, me still make you get it. You see me? You call me have it, me still make you get it, bro. Me not tell you no. Once the money in my pocket, me can never know say my mother hungry and you after me have it and me not give. You see me? And then, after you take the money, me hear you in a box, you know, with people when I like me. I say me a liar that me never send any money and you're not sick, you just don't want your bills them to pay. Over your own son. Me say, you saw him gotta beat on man. Gotta go beat on you know. Gotta go beat on you. God's for big but him have to beat on you man. Remember me tell you.
Come here, baby, come here. Come here now. I got you. But me in this so now. We are get a fight. The realest people live the hardest life. You never know.
You better stranger than do me this.
I saw you go, you see me to the
sun. It's not even about the money, you know. Me not give a fuck about the money.
No, you know, you don't understand, baby.
You know what,
you see if you're dead and your family in you're dead, you're not going dead good.
Chat, it's not even about the money. I care less about the money when I say now. You know what bun me? And the fact that you're willing to bring down your own pitney. And that bun me. I don't care about the money, bro. I don't care about the money. And the fact that you got in a box. You tore on my mother and my sister and bring down your own child. You better you did call me and cuss out my blood clot and tell me how much you hate me and I like me. You better you did call me and cuss out more than you go on public media and do that. But you good. You good. You good. Me I go live for so. Are you my sister? I'm gonna live if you say you want something. Get up on your ass, not me, I'm gonna live.
Yeah, let me ask you something, baby. I owe me reach my family drama. I owe me reach night.
My sister come on social media and I say she did want some black. I mean I buy her the black them and I dey on internet. I dey on internet and I buy Dyema this and I buy Dyema that. Oh, buy Dyema, buy black.
Money, you don't call me?
You go look for me and then they, what else? Go in your work list like me have my degree. Go take your degree and shove it up under your blood clot. You have degree and what else? Nothing. Tell me about blood clot degree.
Yeah?
Make you make money? Fucking idiot. You see me? This me now. I cost me and thing and I tell me about our degree now, baby. You say go take your degree and shove it up your blood clot. You tell me about degree for.
Not tell the line now. I try your sister. Because I think what?
I never violate them yet. I have the utmost respect. See them name ya? See her name ya no? Rona. See my mother name ya?
You don't have to take out, you make it stay, make it stay.
No, my mother name stays. Because I'm my mother this. But you say this? Gots to go. As me reach back to Jamaica, me hear about this. My mother name now come on for me. But you say me sis, as me reach a Jamaica, this a rub off. I don't want to hear for me.
So baby, come here, boy. We have a rough weekend, though.
My mother will stay. Nothing on them.
Leave it, no man. Make them stay. Leave them. Leave them along to get them rough it out. Leave them.
When man damn me
where we can go? Jesus, boy, I'm tired of this.
Man damn me lowest dog, no one give a fuck about man. As man make a name for myself when one come claim me and bring me down. Me say, I will be damn if me make Ono come break this one me work for brick by brick. Me say, oh God man.
Why me feel the boy pain? Remember me and my bang around them too, you know. Remember the boy them have beat to it. Jesus. Boy, I feel it. Me can't calm me now. Me can talk in feelings. Me come and go in bed in a wake up. Me can talk in mind, man, and talk it up. Me can talk it.
I help that. I may build this. Me. Brick by brick. I may do this. So none of that. You can take it from me. Now come talk about black and so and this. Other that sue me. Me could say who have more money. Get a liar, me get mine. Get a liar, me get mine.
Where you do feel
liar,
so?
you want to go with me? Come now. Come like you not even know who me. You no come. Liar, you want to go? Come with the liar. Come like I think, I think of the same like a dirty foot boy want to use the style and look down pan. Come with the liar. I'm sure no how money stay. Come with the liar.
So come here, what they go sue you for? What you say to them?
Me not even know. I not a screen record in my ear. With my sister tell me about say she a go sue me. Sue me for what? If you want the money, just call me and ask. If you want the money, just call me and ask.
Why?
What you about sue? I say you want money, buddy. I say you want money.
Same thing, show them. My handbag blue one day.
I saw you want money from me. You don't like me, but you still want money. I saw you hungry, make you want to sue me to get a piece of that. They did call me and say, bro, nothing go on in there, you can't give me one piece of change, but no. Two don't work together and scam me. I hope you don't full on the belly. I hope it's full on the belly. And Dyema, you know what the fucked up thing about it? 3 years me and my sister and dealing a baby. I make me tell you why. My sister nearly boxed down my mother, you know. You don't know, so me call her. And I say, oh, you see, any you did put your hand on our old lady, me would have boxed down your blood clot, you can't do nothing. And she cuss, she make her threat them, she this and she that. And you know who my mother cuss? My mother call me and cuss me. Say I should get involved and me too enough and me this and me that. You see that? My sister nearly box her down. Raise her and half her for liquor. And I me get the cussing feet. I should get involved. I should have said that. I have respect. I say, oh God, man, I allow the two on. I allow the two on.
Come here. Stretch out your hand. Stretch out your hand now. One of these are free, one of free. Wash off yourself. One. Smile, man.
Yeah, no.
Smile, babe. Smile, babe. I have to give you a little smile. You know what's service. Me buy me a paper you have to come. One for you and one for me. River, and I'm gonna look too blue. Okay?
Achieve, man. Thank you, you know.
Smile, baby, come. Smile now. Stop it, no man. Smile. Come on, baby, stop now. You see, you do. You see, you always want me to stop, but me I tell you stop, you don't want to stop.
Dyema, this is different, man. I know when a mother betray me.
I think you hurt more than me. You know it's a big difference still be. We really build difference, you know. Because you see, when the whole world turn down for me, I still have a smile on my face, and I build different in the youth.
If the world turn down for me, that's different. But when you own a mother turn for you, it's different, babe.
Happy nice.
Yeah, for a long time, the whole world turn down for me, I'm in a business. Remember, me alone no come for internet, come explain I do not need out of the 4 hours, you know. You forgot? At first, me ever come crash out.
Come here,
and my mother could have get
come here, baby. Regular for my mother bring me dog, show me my fence. Class me. And you look at me and again.
I understand, you know. I don't really know the quarter it how me grew up and how them people they treat me, you know, Dyema. You don't know how deep this damage me.
Good. You know, your mother can't believe, say, listen, come here and baby, let me tell you something. Your mother can't believe, say, your son so handsome and does a flourish, so I think there's a one thing. So easy, no man. Come now, baby. Psalms 35, baby. Come now, baby. Plead my cause, oh Lord, with them that strive with we. Baby, fight against those who fight against we. Come here, now, man. You have to be strong. The realest people get the hardest fight. You have to be firm. Firm like this, baby. Come here, baby. Psalms 91. He that was in the secret place of the Most High shall abide on the shoulder of the Almighty. Them can't do nothing. Firmer than this. You hear me, I tell you? Come here, baby. You see, success come with a lot of problems. Everybody go run up power right now. Some of us say we are Sadamite, some of us say we are batty man, some of us say we so good, some of us say we dirty, some of us say we careless, some of us say we nasty. Them are going to talk a cross bag of things about we. But guess what we have to do? We have to gather ourselves together as a team and we have to hold firm. See, you know what the 4 we go to now? Watch your man gonna me and talk to him. Sit down when me attack, and when you attack me, I sit down and listen. You know what we have to do? We have to have each other back. And the people are waiting on the day for when the whole of we are going to have one another head. You see, success, baby, come with one heap of fight. At 27 years in the business. A whole heap of fight. You saw me liquor? The amount of them me carry upon my back for years.
Aside on the part of the skin.
Just the internet. Internet is not something easy to deal with. A whole heap of pressure when we lock off our life. That's how we lock off our life. And we face reality. A wicked something to we. We lock off our life. And we have to face reality. A wicked right here, son. You have to firm. That's the internet. Baby, then go come and say what for sitting pound, you know. Whole heap of sitting right now, you know. Then just want to lock off on the life and not turn on the back. You have to firm. Look how they tell me I'm ugly, careless, me can't breathe me a mule. Me fuck up, me done out all these things. The amount of things that them tell me.
Baby, me no business, but none of that are people. I mean, mother me a talk about.
Yeah, but me I tell you, if in a life, if you're dead, and your family member not know what to do with it be, you're not dead good.
Hear about me that, babes. You know that me not watch social media.
But just to show you something. If something not go happen to you be, and you have a family member and it not go happen good.
Baby, that is not the point of me I come channel. Listen me now, baby girl. Right, all the reason why I feel that you know me turn nothing to bother me. The fact you make me come bad. Hey Nikki, don't make me block you. I want you. Don't tell me nothing. You see the point why I feel so, babes. You make me come live and come ball and look prayer for you. You see me? You make me come live, come ball and look prayer for you. And then you come out on live and chat me and make me look like a fool. Hey Nikki, go suck your mama. Hey girl, me not this woman in but go suck your mother. What you follow me up for? I want to you, girl. You understand what she said, chat? Me don't really care about what people want to say. I just want my mother do. You see me?
But if your mother never do it, the media una, that's what I say. If you're not dead, and you have a family member and you're not dead, good at me, I try to tell you. Where all the people they power we know a full season, all when we right we go still get wrong. That me I tell you. You have to just stop focus on them because when you show we receipt them still a twist it for me. Look how me. Remember you show a receipt them and them still a cuss you. Remember me show my receipt and them still a cuss me. That me I try to show you. It don't make no sense. All we have to do is grab each other hand together. All we have to just pray. Because them wait for the day the whole away. Come over here and judgment each other.
We're not judgment
love them.
And we're not going to ever judgment each other. That's an apartheid. That will never happen. That day they not come.
Just love
them. Family style, especially your own mother, it's slap different. That's all me I go say.
Actually, me not like that too. Hey, come here. Actually, me not like that some things for media, you know. Because you see some things when I go through, if I share them and we don't know. Them all use the beat me car. Remember, you know. That's why I not like talk some things. Because remember me come across some shit against this bucket, you know. And them I use against me. That's why sometimes I just hold my mouth. Because if we share some things with you, you wouldn't even believe it. Remember. Because sometimes it make no sense to share nothing over here. Because when I share things, them use it against you.
You hear the screen recording them when she say.
Me hear everything. I hear everything. But I just ignore it.
You hear when she say all of that time I never give her no money and she never sick. You did hear that part?
I hear everything. I hear everything. No one sees it with me. No one sees it with me. You want to take it to that side there? Check up the keys. Check what it is. I don't want it. No one.
Here I know, my baby. Here I know. Hear what she said this morning.
I tell her I'm sick. Because when sick, I come in a partial nobody. You see the social media business.
Hold on.
Anyone I want to call me name on social media, do my best. Me dead to everybody. Everybody me dead to. Me done. They don't know what social media me depend I bring you down. What social media me depend I bring you down, baby?
Before me play no further, and I see a voice that where you hear. Alright.
But sit with me, Ghanaian, I gonna bring you down where I don't like you. Eh? All the names them what you call me, all my past when me used to dance, go, all of them sitting there just to say no go to school and make no eat and drink. Me never come on social media with your name. So how now me dey on social media with your name? Me not understand that. How comes me in the on social media with your name? Me ever see me on social media talk about nothing about you? Eh? You ever see me on social media talk nothing about you? Me never dey on social media talk nothing about you. Me not go on social media. Because I went to hear on social media, I say what you say about me. Me couldn't come and go set things, and me not do it. Me couldn't come and clear my name, and me not do it. So what me do now, Fabian? What me do? Me not do nothing, me not scam you. Me not scam you. Me not tell sick about, me not tell lie and sick, Fabian. Me not tell lie and sick. But as me say, me go tell people.
Hear that? No fear if I say ear in the box. I say she not sick or nothing wrong with her. Don't tell.
So the video I send with somebody attack in the background. The tree that said yes.
She babes. I'm a mother. I don't know my mother son. I'm a mother.
Life.
My mother voice that babes. My mother. I know my mother. As she birthed me. I know she son. And you say they rub me right in the dirt. She rubbed me too. And then you have the heart to tell me say you never said that. Then you go tell me say you never said that.
That's how the boy had to last night the box you know.
Cause I'm a mother go over there and my sister go start it. At them make him a debate for me. I film box them going on. You see me? And I say, oh, me a liar.
You see me put up one video this. You know see me put up one video this man with the device.
So me not hear it, I see it. My own mother go tell people say me a scammer. And a 3 night now me not sleep. Because me a worry if she go alright or not, knowing damn well say you're good. 3 night me not sleep.
So too little time you go to
a 3 night me not sleep, babes. God say I know me stress over the whole hospital situation. Oh, you hear me? You know see me text you and I kill up myself about it. That look like somebody way I pretend. So me kill up myself and I stress out over me old lady, bro. And that's why I feel so, babes.
All me your course.
Plan them.
All me your course. I tell me if you loyal, you can't bother with me. Can me see you on there? All me your course. I'll promise your course me too. On WhatsApp.
All Dyema me get mad to and I tell her say you can't focus on so much stress because my mother in the hospital. Knowing damn well so not good.
Chatting get mad and cuss all me. I mean not tell like you say a nice first you know my mom bad, but I dub him back. Me just say okay, I left him because boy I'm not sorry for him.
And that's why I feel so, babes.
I never that trouble him. In class, you know, him write me one paragraph long, so remember show it. You know says the boy bright. I put it for really good.
No, she good. I don't want back no money. I don't want back no money.
She if you want back money, somebody, I'm tell you something in life.
I don't want back no money. She
I'm
good.
tell you something in life, baby. You saw we can't hate our father. Look here what we mama do, you know, we have to still love them. Because them carry on the land.
I know.
But we can't eat with Papa man and can't with Papa man and not deal with them, man. You see, we mama we shove we out. Look here what go on. We still love them, look here them beat we.
No, man, anything me can do for my mother say me will do it. God never say in the Bible say you can't eat your sister. My sister dead to me.
No, that means that's something mean our father.
God never say in the Bible say you can't eat your
you
sister.
see father and siblings you can't cut them off. But you see your mama will drop your own.
My mother, you always love her.
You see all when they wicked to you, you have to still give them the respect. Remember their name, mama.
I always love my mother, man. No joke. But my sister, you're dead to me.
Why me not tell you? Come here between me and your sister nice. Your mother like you so nice, pick me, you know.
I don't want to reason about my sister and a Dyema.
No, because I want never jealous say I hate you, making do so. That me want to ask you.
You know how much time to take my life and me a pick me? 3 different times.
She bigger than you?
Underwater nearly drowned and you come out and claim me as brother. I don't like that girl there, you know. Hold me underwater about 2 different times for join me. After me a little boy, she a try to get rid of me. From me a pitney, she a try to get rid of me. I'm not afraid for chat. So I know that. Come out and say a lie, me a tell. Hold me head underwater about 2 different times. Ask my granny now, she can tell her the tale like yesterday it happened. Hold me head underwater nearly drown me. Amount of wicked things that little girl do me. You see me? And the last time, I don't remember what happened. The last time, I forced me ever make back her attempt to lick her. And I take her 2 before and broke it pan her and tell her to allow me alone. And from a little bit, she a try to get rid of me. I want to, I mean, I like her, she dead to me. And I never hate enough for that same way. I still did them. I never did hate enough for that.
Why? I'm not telling you why. Come like I go through a hard pass, God.
I'm just not to talk about my thing, you know. I'm just not to talk about my life, you know. You see me? Because people don't like sad story. I mean, I look myself for nobody.
No, I want to talk about it. Them music back by you, over here.
So I don't know that's why I'm not come talk my sad story. No one nobody sorry for my babes.
Yes, sometimes, you know, let me tell you something. Sometimes I'm not sorry for you.
Hold on, baby, when I see that little girl who come out and share my so-called sister, every side have 2 stories. Me never did perfect, me a boy pick me, enough trouble me give. Enough trouble, enough rob me go rob and thief too. Me not afraid for chat. You see it? But God see I know how them people that deal with me when me a little youth. Me not have to say nothing more. What up the screen for me there on my side? I'll follow that page.
That's if you can't carry me the 1 million likes.
I always run with everything in a year. And in a year them come out and talk for them. So I not even give me a chance to talk. Everybody come jump down man throat. Cause show me them figure it out and figure it out up on top. On the back up man allow me. I want to know bro.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. As well, usual people like not buying what nobody else sell over this. You know. But we're there, do the Lord work being the messenger. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.